Do you have hypertension, diabetes, obesity, heart disease, or another pre-existing condition? The reality is you are the most vulnerable to COVID-19. But we can help you. Now more than ever is the time to come to Wildwood Lifestyle Center. For almost 80 years, Wildwood Lifestyle Center has helped thousands of people reverse all kinds of lifestyle-related diseases. Now, amidst this pandemic, we are here for you too. Our 11-day residential program is designed to help you boost your immune system and to reverse the diseases that make you more susceptible to COVID-19. Our campus is a safe environment with no one here having tested positive for the coronavirus. We're also taking the necessary precautions according to the CDC and state guidelines. So there's nothing that's holding you back. Plus, if you sign up for our April or May programs, you'll get 10% off. So what are you waiting for? Call now. Don't put your health at risk when there's something you can do about it. Your life is priceless. Now is the time to come to Wildwood Lifestyle Center. We'll see you soon.